Chapter 4, Role and Function of the State Government. In this chapter, we will learn about role and functions of the state government, public and private health services, inequality in healthcare facilities. First of all, what is the meaning of health? Health refers to the state of being physically, mentally, and socially fit. For example, a person cannot be considered healthy if he or she is free from disease but under the stress of employments. The government in a country plays an important role in ensuring the overall sound health of the people by providing the people with facilities such as education, employment, and sanitation along with healthcare. In this chapter, we will analyze the role of the state government in providing health care to its people. Health care facilities include hospitals, primary health centers, laboratories, ambulances, blood banks, qualified doctors and nurses, medical equipments, medicines, etc. These facilities help diagnose the physical problem of the patient and cure their illnesses. Through providing healthcare is the main responsibility of the state government. In today's time, there also exist private healthcare providers. Thus, we have two types of healthcare in India: public, that is maintained by the government, and private, that is maintained by individual by big companies. Let's discuss about them. First is public healthcare. Public healthcare consists of a vast network of government health centers. The construction of these centers along with medicines and equipments are provided with the money paid by the citizens as tax. The structure of public healthcare varies in rural and urban areas. In village health centers are run with the help of nurses and village health workers under the supervision of primary health centers. The people are trained in dealing with the common illness. After the primary health centers come the district hospitals. They supervise the functioning of the rural health centers. Large government hospitals are found in urban areas. These hospitals are equipped with advanced diagnostic facilities and a large number of trained staff of doctors, nurses, etc. Second is private healthcare. Private healthcare consists of health centers established by individuals with the motive of gaining profit. The organizational structure and facilities available in private health centers are often considered to be better than public health centers. The centers include big hospitals, laboratories, diagnostic centers, and clinics of private practitioners. The treatment provided by private healthcare providers tend to be unaffordable by a large section of the society. Next topic is healthcare and equality. Today, the private healthcare is more common than public healthcare. While many government hospitals or centers are overcrowded and under-equipped, most private centers are continuously advancing their services and medical facilities. As a result, despite being costly, private healthcare services are being preferred over public health services. The growing dominance of private healthcare has been making a situation worse for the poor. Lack of nutrition, food, cleanliness, housing, clothes, etc. increase the chances of the poor falling sick frequently. Frequent illness bring about more anxiety in the family. As a result, the family face a dual distress of having a member ill at home and the lack of money for treatment. However, it is not always that the lack of money stop people for getting adequate treatment. In most families in India, the health of women is ignored. Not only are they denied a nutritious diet, but also their illness are not treated as promptly as that of the male members of the family. In remote areas, the non availability of proper treatment makes the healthcare inaccessible to the people, while the public health services are not adequate. The private health services are not even available in such areas. As a result, the cost of expensive treatment coupled with the high cost of traveling to a faraway health centers make treatment out of reach for these people. One question is here, what should be done? The health of the citizen of a country is directly associated with the development of the country. Hence, proper arrangements should be made to take care of the health of the citizen. However, this can only be achieved with the collaboration of the government, private companies, and the people of our country. Good quality health care should be provided in the entire country. The government should also make proper arrangements to provide basic amenities to the poor to decrease the chance of the falling ill frequently. Also, the private companies should lend a helping hand to the government authorities in providing free or affordable treatment to the poor of the society. Health is an amalgamation of physical, mental, and social well being of a person. Thus, unless we ensure the facilities to achieve this for the people, the overall health of the country will be difficult to improve. This is all about your chapter. I hope this video is really helps in your study. Thank you so much.